bagabo ase chiwaziri au chiwizara au echo babete bagochorwa inse yoburai bwa Kenya Kwanza muwaziri w'echindemero Zakaria Njeru nigo iraribaga riaye awasa yarira yogochia kwene kiabuna ntacho wikirania obokorero bwikiranu.
For the picture. On behalf of the team that formed the former Ministry of Lands and the new teams from the other state departments, welcome you to this sector. It is an exciting sector to work in because you touch the lives of ordinary Kenyans, and it is one sector that can keep you very busy. You will not be short of work. CS, if you allow me also, I want to conclude by conveying my most sincere gratitude to both His Excellency President Ruto and His Excellency President Uhuru for having given me the opportunity to serve with these people, the people of Kenya. We will look up to you to give us leadership in this sector because even though we may be leaving the sector, we are landowners and we will be your customers. We hope that we will not be coming to benches in the Ministry of Lands because these good officers of yours will have hidden our files. We want to thank you very much and appreciate you and also congratulate you for successfully going through the vetting process and the appointment process. Karibu sana, ubarikiwe, Godspeed. As you serve us, we hope that you will succeed and you have our support.
I know the task ahead is not easy, but I know with you, the technical team, the staff, my work will be very easy. I want also to thank my sister, the outgoing CS, for the support she's given me. You might not be aware, but I've been consulting a lot, and she has really assisted me in making sure that my vetting process was easy, and also giving me a lot of insight on how the ministry